three bike guys standing like this. Go around them. Yeah, come on. ये मंडी है वो अनलोड हो रहा है प्याज व्याज देखा था ना हमने उस दिन अच्छा पूरा मंडी सब्जी की मंडी है हरा प्याज गोभी मूली और लवली मूली The meat was nice yesterday. It wasn't bad at all.
Take the next right onto National Highway 58.
Hello. Good morning. जी गौरव मेरा अब स्कूल नहीं है तो मुझे किसी बुक्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी थैंक यू राइट after the level crossing left
Crossing left? There's no left or straight?
left no
Go through the city now.
through the city it's left straight there's one more road there that one. You see where those cars are going there's another road that way
T-junction.
आपको लेफ्ट लेना है यहाँ से You don't have to take that road. That's all right. This is another road. Kalu Camel Safari and horse rides. Last time I kept this at the back. So now I'll do it again. No, I'll take out my wallet and then put it at the back. I had put it behind our seat because then my legs get space to stretch. When we go out of this town, then I'll do it after that. I forgot what I had done.